Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with sparklines in Excel. So near charts you have the option to create a sparkline into your tables or near your tables. For example, we have these cells per products and per month, and we want to see the seasonality, but we want to see like an image and not like a new table. So we will make a summary of the seasonality based on our figures into one cell. So basically the sparklines are a small image inserted in a cell. Let's go ahead and create a sparkline. So I have this table for home, food, IT, or fashion categories, and each month sells values. Now I'm going to click the N2 cell, going to insert tab, and here on the right side of this chart we have sparklines. Let's insert a column, and then we have the create sparklines window where we can choose our data range. So I'm going to choose the home row, values from January to December, and then I'm gonna click OK. So the location range, it's our cell already selected, N2. Click OK, and here we go. As you can see, Excel create an image into a cell, so like a graph. And now we have some options that we can play with the sparklines in order to be more readable or to achieve our goal. For example, we have edit data, and we can change group or single sparklines or hidden and empty cells. Then we can change the type of the sparkline, and as you can see, the image change immediately. Let's keep the column, and then we can mark and show some different points. For example, the high point, so we have 3 months which are highly in home sales products, the low points, and such figures. Negative points in our case are not available, first point and last point. Then we can change the style with different colors or templates, or you can select your own sparkline color. Also we can use some marker. So here we go, we change the high point for color. So this is the difference. So if I copy paste here, you'll see that the food basically maintain the seasonality. Let's try again, and sparklines clear selected or edit location. Okay, so we have B3 to M3, so looks good, the source, and N3. Again, copy and paste here. So if I will change the values from, let's see, April, and I will put a bigger value into August, let's try, you will see that the sparkline will change. Now the top value, it's in August.